Okay, this is a master padlock, 194D. It's quite recognisable should you come across one of these. Standard key. I can't get the standard key in. Standard key's in. Turn it to the right. Shackle opens up. I have bumped this using one of these bump keys, which is an MAS7 bump key. To bump this, all I simply did was put 2 grommets on. They bump quite straightforward overall. The hardest bit bumping these is keeping hold of the padlock how you want it. There you go, didn't take too long. The lock's gone and we're in. The other way for these that seems to be the quickest methods is picking. I found the snake pick. I've tried it on 3 or 4 of these locks now and the snake pick works the best. Because of the small keyways you can see there, all you can use is the pick itself and not the tension wrench. So as you put the pick in, you're applying a turning pressure to the right. So I'm turning the pick almost like that as I'm raking gently. Which it takes a bit of getting used to be honest. Especially working around a camera like this. But doing it comfortably in hand like you would in a proper situation, it is quite straightforward. It's just arm's length does make a big difference. Well, there you go. It has gone now. Took longer than when you can do it more comfortably in hand. It does work a lot easier. So that's the master padlock.